Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candice. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience with Appen and also show you guys my proof of payment. Now, without wasting any more time, if you're new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today we're going to be looking at this website called Appen. This is how their homepage looks like. I have spoken about this website before on the channel. I'm simply going to leave the link for the full video down on the description box so that you can check it out. Well, Appen is a company that deals with improving AI technologies. So those are the type of jobs that you're going to be doing. It will involve things like reviewing ads, search results, map points, labeling images and videos for self-driving cars. You're also going to be transcribing audio clips for voice assistants. Those are actually simple jobs that you're going to be doing on this website. Now, without wasting any more time, let me just log into my account and just show you the project that I did. After signing up, I am then directed to a page like this one. I did a video data collection project, and for this project, I did 3 videos. In these 3 videos, I did activities such as dancing, walking, doing yoga, or exercising, and I had to upload these videos on the Appen mobile app. They sent me an email with the link and the code to enter the system, and the duration for each video was 15 seconds, and the duration for the whole project was between 15 to 30 minutes. But I did not spend 15 minutes. I think it was 12 minutes or 10 minutes doing this project, and I feel like it was a bargain. I did not spend much time doing this project, yet I got paid, right? Here they said I was going to get paid $15 per task, which was not the case, but nonetheless, I did get paid, right? I'm simply going to show you guys my invoice. As you can see, this is my invoice. I did submit my invoice, I think on the 4th of October. I submitted the invoice and I got paid $30. So I was supposed to get $15 for each video. Instead, I got $10 for each video. They did send me an email explaining why, but I did not find it as a valid reason. But nonetheless, I did get paid. So this is how much they paid me. And as you can see, the current status says paid. So I'm simply going to show you the email that I received. As you can see, I got paid into my Payoneer account. I got paid $30 from Appen. It was sent by Appen. As you can see, 13 October, I received a payment from Appen. I received $27. It was initially $30. Some of the money went for transaction fees, and I feel that Payoneer is very expensive with transaction fees as compared to other platforms. But nonetheless, we have received the money. I'm super happy because I did not spend much time doing this project. It did not even take me 30 minutes to complete the project. I'm super happy. If you're someone that's looking to be making money online, Appen is one of the websites that you can use. You can get the link down on the description box so that you can be directed to the correct website and get started with making money online. I'm also going to be doing a dedicated video for Payoneer, how you can open a Payoneer account, how you can link it to your bank account, and how you can withdraw or transfer it to different platforms such as Skrill or PayPal. Enough have been said. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.